His freshwater tank was overflowing, filled up, overflowed, made a mess in the camper. So, welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are in Bear Mountain Campground here in Fayetteville, West Virginia, just outside of the New River Gorge National River. No, not a national river, national park. America's newest national park. We said national river for so many years, sometimes I forget. No fooling around today. This gentleman has a water pump issue. His water pump was bypassing. Well, he's hooked up to city water here, and what was happening was his freshwater tank was overflowing, filled up, overflowed, made a mess in the camper. So he got another pump, but it was another brand of pump. This is a Lippert pump. And I don't know what was in it before. Shore flow?
Flow jet.
Flow jet. So he had a flow jet in there before. He got a Lippert, and it's doing the same thing. But I think I know what's going on. Been here just a few minutes. I got my M18 lights set up in this compartment. Let me throw the camera in there. Let me show you what I found, if I can show it to you, if it'll show up on video. And we'll get this thing fixed in a jiffy, I hope. And we'll move on. He'll move on. Everybody's gonna move on. Everybody's gonna have a fantastic day.
Hey, Hillbilly.
Yeah.
What are you doing in September?
I'd like to go to America's largest RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania.
So would I.
You know what it is?
September the 11th through the 15th.
That's awesome. We should have a meet and greet with our Hillbilly Haven community. Oh, wait a minute. We are. That will be on Friday, September the 12th, between 1 and 2. Don't know exactly where yet. More details to follow. And yes, we made special shirts for the event. So we'd really like it if you would go to the link listed in the description below and pick up your shirt or a hat. We got special hats too. Really nice hats. So, Hillbilly Haven Community Meetup at the Hershey, PA show. Friday, September the 12th, between 1 and 2. We'll let you know where. That sounds like fun. What do you think?
I'm getting to go on a trip.
You are?
Whoop, whoop.
So there is the new pump. And I don't know if it's going to come through on the video or not. He says he installed this pump the same way as the flow jet. But I can see where there's been a pump mounted the opposite way, so it was turned around. So I don't know how many pumps has been in this unit, maybe several. But the first thing I saw, and I'm not going to be able to get a shot up, on the end of the pump are arrows. Okay, this white line over here, right here, is the suction line coming right up out of the tank. How do I know that? Because it leaves the pump and goes right down, follows this fuel hose going down to the tank. So that's our suction line off the tank, and then this is our pressure side going into the camper. Well, the arrow is pointing that way. The arrow needs to be turning this way. So we got to take this pump out of here, turn it 180 degrees. Is that right? Yeah, 180 degrees. Hook it back up, and it should be fine. You got all that? So yeah, let's get started on that and see if I'm right. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I've been wrong today once already, if you can believe that. Oh, this is really gonna be a tough shot for me to get because I can't even see my viewfinder. I'm gonna have to guess that you guys are looking at what I want you to look at. Let me angle you down just a little bit more. I think I can see it actually. Yeah. So let's get this one unscrewed from the floor. Hopefully he did put the screws in the back, I hope. Because them ones are up there. He did. And he put all 4 of them in there too. Okay. Get my hat off, get my glasses off. Ouch, hit my head. It's alright. You have to do these by Braille method, which are no fun. There's number 3. Let's get number 4. There's number 4. Okay. Alrighty. Now, we don't even have to unwire it. We will have to take the water lines off. We might spill a little bit of water, but it shouldn't be much. Now these fittings have rubber gaskets in them, so don't put Teflon tape on them. It just causes leaks. It's more apt to cause a leak than if you leave it off, because these fittings just don't leak. See the rubber gasket in there? So yeah, don't put Teflon tape on these. We're just going to leave that strainer on that side. You know what? No, we're going to move the strainer over to the other side, to the pressure side, the outside. Oh, might be able to see these errors now. Can y'all see them? One on each side. Yeah, we'll just move that straight. And that's not a filter. Everybody calls that a filter. It's just a strainer. It's just a strainer. It's just got a screen in it like a screen door. Snuggaroo that up. Snuggaroo this one up. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. Oh, hard to get both hands back in here when your shoulders are bad. Come on, baby. Get on there. There we go. When it's straight, it's straight. Goes right on. When she's crooked, she don't go on. And we'll use my pliers on this one because that doesn't have very big grippy thingies on it. Snug that up. That one I could hand do because it's got little better handles on it. All right. Get her head out of that hidey hole. Put my hat back on. There we go. All right. Let's go inside. And because there's no water pump switch out here, let's go inside and we'll turn the pump on and see if it pumps water. Because that's what it wouldn't pump water either, because it was trying to pump the wrong direction. Let me go grab a towel real quick and dry that little bit of water up. That way I'll know if we got any leaks out here. Then we'll go inside. Alright, turn the water pump on. Let's come over here to the kitchen. We're not hooked up to the city water right now. See what happens here. See if it's going to pick up. Oh, let's go out here and make sure we're not making a mess. It's pump's running. So I don't know, maybe it just didn't pick up water yet. Alright, let's go back inside. Doesn't seem to be picking up water. Alright, here we go. There we go. There's some out of it. These water tight. I don't know, I'm not even on hot water. Hot water. A lot of air in the system, I guess. He says the fresh water tank's full. Let's verify that. Yeah, says it's 2/3 full. Yeah, I don't think it's picking up water. Yeah, that ain't right. That ain't right. Let's see if it builds up pressure. Alright, we got us a head scratcher, folks. I don't know what's going on. Here's the water coming out of the pump. Goes to that white hose, which comes right to here, which is the cold side of the outdoor shower. The city fill right here goes right there to that other white hose right back there. And look here, when I turn the hot on, pump comes on, got good pressure. Turn the cold on, got squat. So how's that possible? How are we getting pressure out of the pump for the hot water but not the cold? And the hot goes other places. Cold just goes right there. Something stopped up there or something. But that's kind of what I was seeing inside too. So I don't know. I'm going back inside and try the laboratory and the kitchen sink and see if that's still the same. I mean, there's no valves or anything. That there's no valves. Oh, except this. That the sanitize switch. Turn the cold on. Oh, it's already on. Let me try this. Nope. That's weird. The thing just keeps turning. What is that? Oh, it's not a switch. It's a plug. Oh, that's just funny. I don't care who you are. Y'all get to see that? This is sanitized. Yeah. Okay, let's I'm gonna go inside and try all the faucets and maybe in the commode, see if we're getting any cold water anywhere. I don't know how in the world we could be getting hot water, not cold water. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. There's something wrong with this outside shower. Let me take you inside, show you. We got whole hot and cold water inside now. We're here at the laboratory. We have cold. We have hot. At the commode. We got what we hope is cold water. And at the kitchen sink, we've got cold. We have hot. So Yeah, I don't know what in the world's going on with that outdoor shower, but the cold ain't working. It's plugged up with something. See if he wants me to take it apart and look at it. All right, so yes, we got, I don't know, he said don't worry about this outside shower. He said they've never used it, so but it's got to be plugged up on the cold side. It's the only explanation, but it's just funny. This is where I decided to test because it was right here. It's easy for me to access, and then one of them messed up. Go figure, right? So yeah, we're gonna hook the city hose up because I have run very little bit of water out of that freshwater tank. So if it's gonna continue to fill and overfill, it won't take us just a minute to find out, but I expect everything's cool now. Now that the pump's in the correct direction, I'll go back in there and look for leaks, screw the pump down, all that, and then I'll be out of here. So y'all screw your pump down. Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern. Don't forget about the Hershey show coming up. Go to hillbillyrv.net to our website. Be sure to sign up for the email. And we're going to be sending out announcements as soon as we have more info. Pretty sure we're going to have like a special shirt. I'm really excited about the shirt. Maybe in special hats. So the people that are coming to the Hershey show for the Hillbilly Haven meetup, or maybe you're not just coming for the Hillbilly Haven meetup, maybe you're just going to be at the Hershey show, or maybe you're coming to see another YouTuber. But anyway, we're going to have special shirts, so you can go get you a shirt. That way everybody will know, hey, that guy watches Hillbilly, or that gal watches Hillbilly. And because me and Miss Hillbilly will have our shirts on, and y'all don't want to be left out, do you? I didn't think so. Thank you very much. Catch y'all later. Probably going to go work on another one today. May or may not video.